Magandang umaga. Bago tayo alis, mag-edit muna tayo. And then, yun, aalis tayo kasi kailangan nating mag-grocery. Ako mag-isa kasi meron tayong bibilhin, guys. Let's go! Tapos na ako dito. Hanap muna tayo ng hand sanitizer. Wala si taming hand sanitizer dito. Nakakaloka naman. Asa na yung hand sanitizer niya? Ay, nako. Anyway, so I guess uwi na tayo. Kasi yan. Okay. Tala. Ay guys, bahay na tayo. Nakabili din pala ako ng chicken at kailangan ko lang siyang hugasan, kuna ng taba-taba kasi mataba po talaga itong mga manok dito, iwan ko. So yun, kinukunan ko sila ng taba at saka mga extra hair na hindi nila kinukuha, and then hinihiwa ko na lang siya para susuhot, para papasok yung lasa sa loob. Inasal po pala yung style ko dito sa pagluluto at yan, simple lang naman. Hindi ko na talaga inano yung mga ibang recipe kung paano gagawa ng mang inasal. Sinugasan ko pala itong chicken natin, Usually, hindi talaga ako pala hugas ng chicken. Pero ibang klaseng karne, hinuhugasan ko siya. Kasi guys, kapag chicken hinugasan mo, madalas kumalat yung salmonella. So, kaya agad kong nililinis yung ating sink para hindi, God forbid, merong salmonella yung manok. Hindi natin alam, di ba? Yung bakterya. So, ito lang pala yung mga seasoning ko guys na minimix ko para ilagay sa ating chicken para mamarinate na natin. Ito pala siya guys, extra seasoning po ito, oil at saka Maggi Savor para pang hapla sa ibabaw ng chicken kapag nilalagay ko na siya sa air fryer kasi nilagay ko siya sa oven for 30 minutes guys, and then after that nilagay ko siya sa air fryer para maganda yung resulta. At ito na yung time na nilalagay ko yung extra seasoning po sa ibabaw. Sa air fryer pala, nilagay ko yung temperature 400 degree and then 20 minutes both sides. So yun siya. And then dito lang muna tayo. Masarap naman yung resulta. Thank you so much guys for watching. Aalis kami ni Tami sa mag-Walmart, mag-grocery. Ko, hindi talaga okay itong mister ko talaga. Gustong mag-grocery pa. At saka maulan na panahon. So samahan ko lang siya kasi bibili daw siya ng coffee. He's in the car. Talk to them.
What's up, guys? Yes, I'm sitting in the passenger seat because my wife said, I'm going to drive. So I said, okay, so fine, I'm sitting in the passenger seat. And she will complain because, you let me drive. Because that's where we're at. But we are here. We're gonna run out. I forget why. I don't even remember. I have to go to Walmart for something or another, but I don't remember why now. What am I going to Walmart for?
Seriously, Han?
I don't remember.
You're the one who wants to go out.
I know. What was I going for?
Your coffee.
Oh, coffee. I need coffee. We'll probably pick up a creamer and eggs anyway when we're there.
I just did. I went to Hannah Ford.
And how many creamers you get?
There is 4 downstairs.
Is there 4 for sure?
Yeah, brand new on the
Because we just brought one up, so there's still 4?
Yes, Han.
Okay, so we don't need a creamer. So we'll get 1 egg.
The other day I went to Walmart.
Okay.
Egg and creamer.
Okay.
I asked you, what do you want?
I remember you went. I know you only get 1 egg.
Guys, he make me like a driver, guys.
See, what I tell you guys, what I tell you? See, I said, she told me she wanted to drive, so I'm in the passenger seat. And when she comes here, she says, oh, you make me drive. Exactly what I told you. So
I heard you say that, that's why I said
no, you
that.
didn't hear me say it. You were in the house when I said
no,
it.
I was over there putting
No,
my
you
shoes.
were in the house.
You're in the house.
Yeah, so you know, guys. It's the way it works.
No, it's not, honey. I heard you. This is like I sit here in the passenger seat, guys. Honey, I heard it. I was putting the shoes in your side. I heard everything you said. You're talking shit about me.
Guys, telling the truth. Tell it like it is.
Huh? You make me.
Tell it like it is.
And why you open that thing?
We got something by the mail.
Hun,
I gotta see this.
what do you think? I'm gonna go back?
No, I'll get out and go get it.
Put that up.
I'm gonna smoke a cigarette and you're gonna say put it down. So let's get a head start.
I go out.
I can go out.
No, I go out.
Or you could just pull up to it and reach out the window.
my freaking arm is too short for this thing.
It's not. If you get close enough to the mailbox, it's not. I can reach the back of the mailbox.
I'm short.
Oh, yeah, you just like to say that. Yeah, she just don't like to get too close to the mailbox. She figures she'll hit it, and then she'll have to complain that I made her hit the mailbox. And that she complained because there's no mail in the mailbox. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There should have been mail by now.
It's nothing.
Well, I would think there should be. It's freaking 3 o'clock already.
So this is what the thing about my husband. If you notice, he cannot live his life without doing a grocery every once a week or twice a week. Hey, I did buy some from Hannah Ford.
I'm saying Dibbles threw up the whole Friskies. Like the whole piece is everything.
Seriously, he ate everything. That's why. Roxy's favorite and Misty's favorite. Gustong gusto nila ito, ha? No, don't do that. You did that before. They don't like it.
Chicken and salad.
No. I get the dog thing, small one. One. They still have in the basement. Oh, whatever. Christmas na talaga, ay. Dito na mga ornaments, oh. Han. No. So yun guys, binilhan ako ni Mister ng machi-machi. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ang bait ng asawa ko, binilhan ako. And then naghanap pa talaga siya doon, oh. Ang ganda nito, oh. Naghanap pa siya talaga doon, oh. Han, I'm not doing it. That's all. That's it. I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
And I'm not doing black. Oh my God.
Or this. That's not. They don't have that in small. The bluish.
No, I'm not doing it. I said, come on, let's go.
Because you don't want to get the same color you red, huh?
I'm good.
We're here.
No, we're good.
We're already here.
We're good.
Get it while we're here.
Okay, I got
Otherwise, you're gonna have to come back and get it a different day.
$30, guys. Seriously? $30 each? $60 yun total. Look at this green thing. $64. Seriously, hello, that's nice. Is this water resistant? Right? Oh, clearance. Oh, clearance. How much is this? Clearance, uy, $13. Mahal pa rin, uy. Coffee. In heaven na si Tommy, guys, kasi nakakuha na siya ng 2 coffee boxes. And Why do you have sometimes they have a lot and then now they don't have nothing? Like the spicy ul, paborito namin ni Tami. They don't have none. Okay na. What happened to your face? Ang pangit ng panahon. Grabe yung ulan. Basang-basa kami. Oh, and then ala, wala pala akong car key. Andun pala kay Tami. Si Tami na talaga nagdala ng lahat ng car key. Dalawa yung car key.
I mean, there may be a CVS in this shopping area.
There is a CVS over there.
I'm sure there is one up here somewhere right around here.
I really want to keep going, but there's cars just
Well,
clean. Oh my God, ang itim, ha? The day is so dark,
Yes, honey.
right? It's like, guys, look at it, guys. It's really sad. Like, look how sad it is. Like, it's sad. It's a sad day.
Oh, you want to go right and see the CVS down there?
Huh? Look, there's a Walmart. We're in the end of the parking lot. There's a lot of people over there. And look at my husband. Walmart over there. And it's raining. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, that car is flying. Gee. Everybody's flying. Anyway guys, kanina lang kami nakauwi and salamat sa time. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye.
What?
Did you car wash?
What, you can't talk?
Huh?
Seriously?
So let me see what you get.
The ShopRite has now been taken over by something else. It is
What?
now
What?
Ocean State job lots.
Job lots, but there is a thing like that.
There's a big lot down the block, but now there's a job lot.
Oh, there is a job lot. This is the thing, guys. Okay, hold on. Get a bag. Here. Guys, look. Where is the thing? Cold cuts? Where is the cold cuts?
Okay.
Why there's sausage again. And bacon again.
You want to sell?
I just got,
$3.50 each.
I guess just laundry detergent, Tommy.
We didn't get laundry detergent.
I did.
Okay.
Without you. Remember, how many times do I have to tell you that I went grocerying? How many? You got a steak again. What the heck? Why?
Just two little ones because they were sale.
Tignan nyo guys, hindi makontento. You're not
I
contented.
think I did because I never have any cleaner for the throw up all the time. It's some crazy crap you put there. It's not cleaner.
You know what? Just leave it there. We're coming back. Let's go.
You get
This is the thing about him. Anyway, so he's a crazy person when it comes to grocery. So my hubby is home with the grocery. Look at him. He's so proud of himself. Okay. Hello guys. So before tayo aalis, meron tayong lulutuin kahit marami na siyang pagkain guys. Grabe. So lutuin lang natin itong binili ko na bila mushroom. Gustong gusto ko to. And lutuin natin para may gulay si Mister. Meron naman siyang mga gulay dito pero yan. Para meron siyang, para hindi din ito masira and also meron siyang mushroom. Kasi hindi kami palaging kumakain ng mushrooms. Yun. Pero masarap yung mushrooms. Ako guys, maghugas ako nito guys. Isa-isahin ko siya para sure na wala yung lupa-lupa. Kasi may mga lupa siya eh. You know, may mga lupa nakasama. So, guys. What are you doing, love?
I have to show him what I brought.
Seriously, where is he?
That's not it.
Okay then. Look.
That's not it. Well, that's not it.
Hala, ginoo ko this. Ginoo ko this. Ginoo ko have si bag. Tingnan, wala yung pasensya. You got cold cuts for them. Tell him to go down. Oh my God, he is such a daddy's boy, oy. Daddy's boy. Cold cuts. You know that's expensive, hon? Look at him. Say good afternoon. Good afternoon, mga guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to Roxy's vlog. Roxy's vlog. Thank you guys for viewing. Look at this. Thank you for viewing, guys. Mama's leaving, I think. I think she's leaving us right now, guys. I'm kind of sad. Because Mama, I think she's leaving. Look at that. Say good afternoon. You've been busy?